Hello everyone, I am Deepak from BTech IT first year from Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar. Today I will be coordinating the group discussion on the topic Impact of News Channels on Our Society. As we know that information has been passed throughout generations from a long time, and news plays an important role in our daily life. In the starting period, the main source of the news was basically newspaper and the print media. But as the technology advanced, more and more information sources came into existence. And as we know that one of the most popular sources is now TV. We get news from TV by various news channels, and as technology advances, we have a variety of news channels providing news in very different manners. So we will be discussing how it impacts on our society and how it helps us shaping as a nation unitedly. So we will start with introduction and then you can put your thoughts on this.
Myself Tanishq, I am from BTech IT. News channels have both the positive and negative impacts on our society. News channels provide 24/7 news so that जिससे हमें पता लग जाता है कब क्या कहाँ पे कैसे क्या हो रहा है. News channels strengthens the democracy by providing transparency.
Okay. Now moving on next to
Um, I am Khushi Gupta from BTech IT first year. As Tanish said, there are two ways, positive and negative. Basically, if we see, it has a great effect on society by giving our information every time. But it has a lot of negative points, such as for the political parties. They have basically उन्होंने अपने ओन कर रखा है अपने न्यूज़ चैनल्स को ओन कर रखा है और बहुत पॉइंट्स है आई विल डिस्कस इट लेटर.
now moving on.
I am Hardik from BTech IT. As we are discussing, there are both sides of the coin, so it will impact the society in both the ways. The main aim of the new channels is to gain the TRP, whether the news is authentic or not.
Okay, thank you Hardik for putting out your thoughts.
Hello everyone. I am Raman Kumar from BTech IT first year. In today's life, there is a great impact of news channels on society. So there are both positive and negative impacts of news channels on society. News channels threaten democracy. A few years ago, not many people were interested to watching their news, but after in today's life, so many people were interested to watching the news due to their entertainment.
Okay, thank you Raman.
Hello, myself Akash Sari. I am from BTech IT first year. As per my perspective, in this digital world, news channels have a great experience to our societies by serving news regarding regarding policy or political issues, affairs, war affairs, and we can say that business modules and entertainment and a lot of things which we want to have in our social welfare and our societies. Means it serves a brief idea about what happening around the world. So it's as per my perspective, it's good for our society.
Okay, thank you Akash. Now moving on, Monica, what's your stand on this?
हेलो myself मोनिका लामा फ्रॉम बीटेक आईटी फर्स्ट ईयर. जैसा कि हम सबको पता है कि हर चीज़ का दोनों साइड में इफेक्ट होता है, पॉजिटिव साइड में भी नेगेटिव साइड में भी. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं वो पॉजिटिव साइड में ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में. 24 आवर्स की हमें न्यूज़ देते हैं क्या वहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है, वो हर एक चेंजेस को जो भी हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस आते हैं, रूल रेगुलेशंस जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं, एंड जो भी क्राइम होते हैं सोसाइटी में, जो भी पॉलिटिक्स में चेंजेस होते हैं, एंड वो हमारे जैसे इंटरटेनमेंट की फील्ड में भी जैसे न्यूज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अपकमिंग गेम्स जो भी पॉपुलर गेम्स चल रहे हैं, अपकमिंग मूवीज़ वगैरह के बारे में, हर चीज़ के बारे में हमें अवेयर करते हैं. इसलिए मेरी तरफ से तो इम्पैक्ट अच्छा ही है इसका.
Thank you Monica. Now
Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Shah. I am from BTech IT class of 2025. Okay, so my points are like news channel provide a medium to us to know the details of every incidents happening around us. Okay, there are a lot of like problems happening, lot of problems happening like in nature's like natural disasters as well as like volcanic eruptions and the areas and the regions affected by these natural disasters can be reported through like news channels. Okay, what we gain from this, okay, like the people's living on those areas, like a cyclone is hitting any like coastal areas of Bhubaneswar can be reported through weather forecasting channels, and after listening to the news that are providing, because news propagates in a very like supersonic pace, as anyone can like within a few seconds they can
Get the
like,
information.
get the information and prepare like one day early to vacate the location, as well as like any natural disaster like Kedarnath incident happens. So like news channels provide a medium, like the peoples who had suffered on that occasion, on in this event, a large mass of people has donated to help those peoples. So it is a good way, as well as like we had listened to the news like early in like 2011 or 14. I don't know the exact dates, but on this time there was a movement like Jan Lokpal Bill
Yes.
based on corruptions, the RTI, right to informations. So these were passed bills because of the public. Okay, there were few people who are good and want to pass these bills, but the new like politicians were corrupt. So how can pass? Like a large amount of masses know about this, and lot of political parties supported this, and a large mass gathered before the Lok Sabha located in Delhi, and these after seeing the awareness of people, the government has finally passed the bills. So news channel is a better way to provide a medium like a revolution which can help society to grow, as well as news channels can help like kids to like they can provide kids knowledge about like career tech related, so that they can think and like they can learn from the news channel what we have to do, how is the thing is happening, as well as political issues can be discussed through them.
Okay. Thank you, Rakesh, very much. Now, we can say that news channels provide a variety of news, as pointed out by Monica. They provide news on political reason, issues, religious issues, and the entertainment issues. And as Raman pointed out, that initially not many people had interest in news, but now it has grown very much significantly. And as Monica pointed out, that we can get news about entertainment. So these are basically two different things. Presenting the news, presenting an entertainment news as an entertainment news, and presenting a social or popularizing educational news as an entertainment news. So what's your stand on this? Like news channels nowadays can be seen as infotainment rather than just information channels.
We can say that news channels are just equally divided. All the things means what's happening in this world right now, they are going to present that thing. And we can say that somewhere there is possibility that they are showing different things. Like just recently we had seen that Ukraine was means they are totally going on saying that what's happening in Ukraine and what's not happening. And but apart from this, they will have to show something like students, when students are able to get knowledge about that, all the things, educational news, and also some social news like political issues, and also we can say entertainmental news from where our news generation can interact with the news channels. So on that we can say that they had news, but there are something we can say that errors in their
Yes.
perspective.
Absolutely.
I would like to add few points to Akash answer to the reply of Deepak. Like, okay, news, every person has a different taste as well as interest. So maybe large mass of people don't get like we don't have to watch news. We don't we don't give a shit about this world. What is happening in this? We are like self-centered persons. So how can we seek attention from them? Like news should be provided to everyone. So first of all, we can like these can be like red traps, clickbaits, whatever you call attention seeking points. We can seek attention from these entertainment sources, news providing entertainment services, but as well as with these services we can provide the like ethical news which are necessary for them. They will listen to it, but through a clickbait which can be provided by news channel. It is a good way to gather a large mass of people.
Okay, so thank you, Rakesh. I was trying to point out the exact same point, like where we stand on the ethics of the news channels nowadays, because we have seen recently the bad face, we can say, of the news channels, where we saw that news channels put importance to their TRP more than putting out the point that what value they are adding to our society. So we can we say that news channels nowadays are not that much news watchworthy, or we should avoid them?
Okay.
No, may I try?
Yes.
Since we can say that they are doing their best to provide us information about what's happening recently and what's important for our society. Means, it's our means right, and it's our courage to know what's happening in Ukraine. Just like we can say that Ukraine war, people are interested to know what's happening there. Because if we are staying at home, means we are unable to know all the information about what's happening. Means there are some person whose relative are in Ukraine. There are some also person whose relative are from other countries and all the. So if they would like to have information about all that things, they will have to see what news channels, because it's unable to contact regularly with them. There are also, if there is any disaster, any war, anything means then there is a network issue. So it's good to have a news channel regularly on any specific topic which is most important at that point. Means if there is any disaster threat, means if they want to saying that there is a disaster and they are pressing news whole the time, then it's good to have information about all the things what's happening there, and it's good to have knowledge about that there is the loss of that much people and all the things. So as per my perspective, it's good to have.
Okay, like I would like to say, like there are various news channels
Yes.
who they exaggerate facts for the TRP and the business mindsets. So what we can do, basically people are not fools, they can judge. So after the internet revolution, there are a lot of digital platforms which provide news through digital services, not in like hard copies and
Yes.
like TV channels. So they give an individual person to, like, individual reporter can report, and people are like going in a different like platforms to gather informations and the news. So the TRPs in the present situation is like reducing, and so the news channels are like, in the few years they will be like more genuine rather than today. But it can't be like inevitable that they want like exaggerate things. They will do, and they will as well as funded by various organizations to do these things for like this for their profit. But there will be various platforms to get the genuine news. Like people can at least there were maybe news channels are biased, but people can judge which one is true and which are not, like providing genuine facts, because there are various sources they can compare between different platforms.
Now I would like to add a point that news channels are nowadays trying to show their best. Means they are not running towards the TRPs right now, because they know that people are literate and they are able to judge what's happening and what's not happening. So those who provide better service, they got the better TRP. Means TRP is all about how many people are currently listening your channels. And if news channels showing correct content, right content about any things, and what the things important, just like we had said DNA and anything, all the things at the scheduled time. So people must came and watch all that things. That because that is scheduled and they serve better content, and people like it. Then that's machine learning, and it's from longer time. So we can say that it's all about it's not about TRP. It's about their wish to provide a better content. As per my
Thank you, Akash. So now, as
Yes, I agree with the point of Akash. News channels have very positive impact, and they can provide information regarding the latest movies and their reviews. So after and they can provide the upcoming movies.
Yes. So Rakesh pointed out an important point that it is good that even if news channels put out the news which are genuinely good for us to know in the form of clickbait. So what's your stand on this, Monica? How much would you say that it is ethical for them to put this in that way?
Yes, Rakesh is right in his words. News channels are good, try to show good contents which is in a real meaning, and I agree with Rakesh.
So you would agree that even being away from the ethics of news channels and providing news to the people. So what's your stand on this, Afi?
it would be better for the society and for the people watching that. They will start watching the news in an entertainment way, and then they will also start following the authentic news, which will be provided by the news channel in the future. But sometimes news channel doesn't follow the ethics. They run the paid campaigns, and in past we have seen many times the election polls are being paid by a party, which has a huge impact over the population, and the people tend to vote towards the party which is winning in the polls. So being ethic is right. Being ethic is a right. If they are providing the
News. Okay, thank you.
Adding a positive impact on this, I think in past days the supply of organs from hospitals and health centers, it was a great supply to the
Okay, ma'am.
to the rich persons and black market. But nowadays news channels have increased their
Impact on general
impact on general
Okay.
people. So this has become lost. So it created a great impact on people's lives.
and the society.
I need to add one more point that it decreases also a lot of scams like gold scam, diamond scam, or means say that women smuggling. A lot of things which they smuggle. A lot of people from the news channels before doing running continuously. Means they were exposing the people who have the black and red hand behind all the things. Means they are fond of doing all these things and getting money. But I think this is not the good things. But they are fond of doing, and with the help of news channels, they are continuously exposing, and with the afraid of all that things, they stop their doing. Means it's decreasing a lot of.
Overall, we can say that news channels helps to decrease the crime in society.
By providing the information and alerting the judge,
General people.
general people. Okay.
जैसे कि हार्दिक ने बताया था कि न्यूज चैनल्स एथिक्स को फॉलो नहीं करते, बट कुछ न्यूज चैनल्स है जो एथिक्स को फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे कि अपने एग्जांपल के लिए तो रिपब्लिक भारत, जिसका सीईओ अभी अरेस्ट किया गया था क्योंकि उन्होंने रियल न्यूज दिखाई थी अबाउट दी गवर्नमेंट, इसलिए उसे अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था. वो न्यूज चैनल एथिक्स को फॉलो करते हैं.
Anyone, Raman, would you like to add any points?
But there are some negative impacts like news channels as each and every news as breaking news, and it can cause one's mental health problem. And at the time of elections, some political parties to earn money for manipulating the people.
So we know that nowadays there are many news channels, and to run them they need money and fundings. For them they advertise, and many times they take money from one side, highlighting them, and then the local people or the people in general are not able to get the right information. And this can be counted as a negative impact on society, that we became one-sided just because we are seeing this on a huge scale. So anyone else would like to add any negative highlight of the news channels on society? Raman or Danish? Raman? Okay, you are done, Danish.
न्यूज चैनल्स शो क्राइम न्यूज दैट हाउ दी क्राइम कैन बी डन, सो उससे क्रिमिनल्स को फायदा हो जाता है और नॉर्मल बंदों को फायदा नहीं होता कि क्राइम कैसे करना है. न्यूज चैनल्स वो बताते हैं.
I need to add some points that sometimes a negative point that they are sometimes playing with the feelings of people. Means they wanna asking that type of question with that people are not feeling comfortable, and they wanna asking all the things that what happened to you, how this will happen, and if they are not interested to have a reply about all that question, but still they will have to reply. Means they wanna forcing them that please reply about that. It's all about our channels respect and all the things. So I need to say that they will have to stop all the things. Means they will not have to play with the people's feelings. Means if there are someone who gonna band or means say that they gonna rap and they gonna ask their parents that what's happened with her, how many people, and all this type of nasty question they gonna ask, and this will hurt that people, and also consider that this will hurt our societies.
Yes.
So they will have to stop all these things.
Yes, absolutely. So thank you everyone for putting out your thoughts in this group discussion. We can conclude this on the note that news channels have a great impact on us as they are the most prominent source of information. Also, we should be careful about what we are watching as many times they can be one-sided and the information can not be fully. Thank you everyone.